The bell rings at about 3 o'clock. Gary beats me to the door. It's Sean and Tony. "You can't go out," I yell. "No mates round and no going out. You're grounded until tomorrow." "Well, sorry, boss," says Gary, winking to his mate. "But tough. It's not like you're going to say anything, is it?" With a sinking heart, I watch Gary's mates troop upstairs. When Gary finally shows them to the door, I overheard him saying, "Noon it is then. See you tomorrow." Dad rolls in just after 6. "Okay?" I ask. "How did it go?" "She grabbed me in the fruit bats." "I beg your pardon?" "In the twilight zone, the bat house. She made a lunge for me." "You sure about this?" "John, I know when a woman's got hold of me. And to top it all, a llama spat in me ice cream." "Magnum?" "I don't know what kind of llama it was." "No, the ice cream. Was it a Magnum?" "Oh," says Dad. "You mean you want one?" I didn't actually, but I do now. "Yeah, I'll go to the shop. Do you want anything?" Dad puts in his order, anything with chocolate. I take Gary's order and head for the door. "By the way," Dad calls, "is our Gary behaving himself?" I decide to plump for spineless dishonesty. "Sure," I answer. "No problems." Adam and I are out on our bikes. Health conscious. That's us. The sons of Enid Blyton. Cycling, sunshine and lashings of ginger beer. Okay, so we're stalking Olivia. Adam's found out that she goes to this tennis club down the south end, and the cross-city cycle path goes right past it. "Where do you get your information?" I ask. "Wouldn't you like to know?" "It's Yvette, isn't it?" "Give over," says Adam. "She's not going to help you cop off with the delicious Miss Bellman, is she? She'd chew her own leg off first. Come to think of it, those braces would help." "You can cut out that braces joke," I tell him. "So she," says Adam. "Who's got a soft spot for Yvette then?" "She's a mate. I don't think of her like that." "I think of every girl like that." We're crossing Rice Lane when we spot Gary. He's helping Tony, Sean and Adrian push Adrian's car. "What gives, Gaz?" I ask. "Elastic band gone?" "Clear off," says Adrian. Seems a nasty piece of work. Hard face, cold eyes. "I can smell petrol," says Adam. "Hardly surprising," Sean explains. "The petrol tank fell off." I peer underneath. Sure enough, there are the tank and fuel pipe dragging along the road. "Isn't this a bit dangerous?" I ask. "How did it get through its MOT?" Adrian eyeballs me. "Do one," he says. Adam is willing me to go. I take the hint. Gary gets in at 5 to 10. "What's this?" Dad says. "Mr. Stopout? 5 minutes early, eh? I'm glad you're sticking to the rules." He's trying to build bridges. Gary isn't interested. "I'm turning in," he says. As he goes past, I get a whiff of cigarette smoke and stale beer. Dad must have noticed, but he's keeping quiet about it. I go up myself an hour later. Gary's light is on, so I decide to have it out with him. "You better not be smoking weed again," I say. "What's it to you?" "You want to know?" I say, shoving my face into his. "The way you behave is making us all miserable. Why do I have to suffer for a loser like you? Tell me that, eh? And what's the score with Adrian's car?" I ask. "Looks like a death trap." "Nothing to worry about there, big brother," says Gary with a sneer. "He's scrapping it." That's something. At least Gaz won't be driving around in Adrian's iffy motor. That's gotta be good news, hasn't it? On my way into school, I'm stopped by Paul Martindale, upper 6th, captain of St. Thomas's rugby team. "Listen here, weirdo," he growls. "You're getting on Olivia's nerves." "And you're Olivia's boyfriend?" "Oh, I see." "You better, because if I ever catch you near it again, I'll extract your liver, and believe me, I won't use any anaesthetic to do it." He jabs his finger in my face. "Olivia's with me, got it?" "Yeah," I say. "Got it." For the rest of the morning, I avoid Olivia. I'm not going to cross Paul. Besotted I may be. Stupid, I am not. I get to the AM without upsetting King Kong's kid brother. Just a PM to go. Maths is just starting when I notice that Yvette is absent. Seen Yvette? I ask Ross Thompson, her best mate. Orthodontists. Adjustments to your braces. Ah, bummer, I say, remembering it's drama next. How do we do Romeo and Juliet without a Juliet? I ask. Easy, says Adam. The understudy. We think for a moment, then chorus. Olivia? But what if the Incredible Bulk finds out? I groan. Then you fight him, says Adam with a grin. I'll hold your coat. I can't fight him, I whisper. I'm too young to die. This is it. Tybalt's just about done working himself up into a steaming rage about Romeo's appearance. Now it's just Olivia and I. The love scene. I think of Paul Martindale, the big humorless lump. Is Olivia worth the aggro I'm bringing on myself? I look at her long blonde hair falling straight and silky down her back and reaching almost to her waist. Of course she's worth it. I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to kiss Olivia Bellman. Right then, says Brendan. Romeo, Juliet, this is it. The lead into the first kiss. So let's crank up the passion. I can hear the Paradise set sniggering behind their hands. Who cares? Olivia's lips are waiting. My lips, two blushing pilgrims ready stand, I read. Oh, they're standing ready, all right. I get a hug Yvette's orthodontists for this. Thus from my lips, I say, hardly able to breathe. By thy my sin is purged. I lean forward, only to hear Brendan's hands clap together. The sound hits my ear like a door closing. Olivia turns to look at Brendan and my nose brushes her ear before finally coming to rest in her hair. Ew! She protests. Did you just wipe your nose in my hair? No, I cry, mortified. I retreat in disarray. Little bits of me lie dead on the field of battle. Only Adam understands the agony I'm suffering. Great. Looks like I get the pounding without the kiss. I'm out of the drama department like a cork from a champagne bottle. That was so embarrassing, I groan. Didn't you hear Brendan? Adam asks. No. He said we'd leave the kiss until Yvette got back. It was good when you wiped your nose on Olivia's ear, though, chuckles Adam. Nice touch. That night, Gary's out and Dad asked me to take a video back. I'm just passing a pizza place when I hear a car gunning down the road. It's a blue Nissan and it must be doing at least 60. The driver is Adrian. The car speeds out of sight past the bingo hall. So where did Adrian get the new car? I'm sure Gary said he couldn't afford a new one. I walk into the video shop feeling uneasy. So many questions, so few answers. It's 10:30 when Gary rolls in. I hear the car pulling away. Suddenly, I wondered if it's a blue Nissan. Thought I said 10 o'clock on a school day, Dad grumbles. Well, you're in early tomorrow. How early? You're half an hour late, so I want you in half an hour early tomorrow night. Gary relaxes. He knows he's getting off easy. I had a lousy day, Gary says when they get home next day. I don't believe this. He's actually talking to me. Why, what happened? I had a run-in with my maths teacher. Oh, so that's why he's talking to me. He's got himself in trouble again. Once Dad finds out, the fair is going to fly. I take a deep breath. What sort of run-in? The sort that gets you one of these? He hands me a letter addressed to me, Dad.